How are you doing this, Martin from Gardens for Life? So we're here at the Athlone Apple Day. So this is actually happening just on the October bank holiday weekend. And we have Irish Seed Savers have actually come here all the way to Athlone and just to talk to people about their varieties. And they brought some samples as well, some apples and some trees as well. But I believe they're mostly sold out already. And there are other vendors here too. For example, basketry making and storytelling and all the rest. So we'll take a look around. So Jeremy's here from Irish Seed Savers here at Athlone Apple Festival, and could you tell us about what you might think is really important to have these events for these kind of apple days?
I think it's really important in Ireland where we've lost a lot of our traditions, like surrounding festivals, harvest festivals and that, so it's really developing an orchard culture that we've kind of deeply forgotten, but events like this bring it back and they're not lost, and everyone's really enjoying themselves, and we're learning a lot. We sold out our trees within nearly 10 minutes of setting up our stall. So
wow, that's amazing.
There's a huge appetite for this type of work, so it's been hugely successful. There's music, there's loads of food. It's just fantastic to see, and loads of kids, which is very important in these things, and they're all running around with smiles on their faces. So it's
awesome. Well,
it's really a joy to be a part of, really.
Great. Well, thanks very much for coming up all the way from County Clare.
No problem. Thanks, Martin.
So this is the Athlone Fryry Hall. It's actually an orchard managed by monks of the church here. Definitely quite a few people around on this bank holiday Monday. So we have people who are weaving, and pumpkins are for sale too. Take a look at all the lovely baskets. This is Katie and Alan from Western Willow.
They're here today, but really you can just call me Pete. I'm just a travelling folk singer. But I do have this cup, which I got from an apple presser like yourself and like many of you. Where are some of the people involved in making the apples? Is anyone here? Apple makers?
It's behind you! It's behind you!
Yeah. Is this an apple tree?
It is.
Very good. Very good. Yes. This is what has brought us here today. And this I got at another event, you could call it, that was brought about because of apples. We drank 2 quarts of that cider so sweet, and he threw down these crutches he was using and danced on his feet. So we ordered 2 more and a toast we drank up to the world's finest doctor, a sip from a cup. A guard asked me, testing me, say these words if you can. Around the rugged rocks the ragged rascal ran. Around the rugged rocks the ragged rascal ran. When I managed that fine, he asked me to state that I rattled my bottles around government's gate, and on a dirty old law they bottled me up for 14 long days without a sup of a cup. 12 o'clock, and the beer it was high, and the corpse he jumped up And says he with a sigh, no, I can't go to heaven. They won't let me up till I take one final sup from my great golden cup. Oh.
Absolutely fantastic initiative, and thanks to Franciscan Fryries for allowing everyone to use the garden here today. It's a beautiful occasion, and Linda has talked about, she has got some money to plant apple trees throughout the town, and the whole idea is to encourage more and more people to come back to nature, sow the apples, use your apples, lovely apple juice, apple tarts, everything regarding apples. So well done to Linda, Stephen Marsh and all the committee. But I think it's fantastic. The location is beautiful, and thanks so much to the Fryries Franciscans for the use of the garden. Please put your hands together for the Fryries, please. Thank you.
Thanks, Frankie.
Thank you. Well done.
That's it from the Athlone Apple Day. Thanks for watching, and please come next year. Bye bye.